Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share with you another high potential new airdrop called HackQuest. So what's their goal? They basically aim to build a free Web3 development education platform. And also if you want, you can visit their website to learn more detailed information about their project. As you can see, they have already raised 5.20 million in funding and their status is potential. If you look at their investors, you will see some top names like Hashkey Capital, Open Campus, Animoca Brands, Gate Ventures and more. If you check out their X profile, you'll notice they have 57k followers right now, and here they share lots of updates about their project, which means they are active, and that's another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you will find the link. Simply click that link and you will land on this page. First, here you need to sign up using your metamask wallet. So select metamask wallet, then connect and then confirm. Here you can use my code, which I'll provide in the description, then submit and you're ready to go. Then a tour will start explaining what HackQuest is, basically an introduction. You can skip it by clicking skip for now. Then click on Quest. And this is the airdrop page where you will find lots of tasks. Here you can claim your daily streak points, so every day you can claim points. This is the level up quest for the account creation reward. You get 50 points. Now click here on hatch now, set your name and click hatch now. Scroll down and here, as you can see, there are some daily quest tasks. Click on like project. Basically here you need to like some projects, so let's like some projects. Then go back to the quest section and here you can claim points. You can also click on start learning. After that, complete any one unit here, and once done, come back to the quest section and you'll see your task is complete. Now scroll down a bit and here you see the level up quest option. Click on go. And here you will find lots of courses. If you're interested in development, you can come to HackQuest to learn various topics. For development students, this is an extra edge. You can learn here and automatically earn points, increasing your airdrop chances. Now back to the quest section. Scroll down and here you will find the Quack Badge option. Here you can mint an NFT. To mint NFT, click on mint now. Then approve. And it's successfully minted. On this page you will find lots of details. You can check out every single one if you want. Finally, here you will find your referral link and referral code, which you can share with your friends to earn some extra points. After completing some tasks here, you can increase your level as well. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.